Here's another bonus, just for fun. I know most of you will laugh at me, but I got this for Christmas. Let's see. Almost. Yes, there we are. Damn it. I haven't practiced any tricks with this one yet, but I will. It's a well, wait. It is not a knife, but it mimics one. I think a balisong, you know, butterfly knife. I think it's more commonly known as. Not very practical, but it's fun to play with, right? And it would be really fun this is something you'd give someone if they were on a dangerous mission, you know. And I think, yeah, if the enemy captures you, you may want to take your own life. Yeah, take this. Damn it. Yeah. Take this. Silly. How silly. We are very silly today. Oh yes, before I forget, I have actually made this myself. This one here. This little dress. It's never turn the camera, right? I don't know about you, but I am getting real tired of this shit. Yeah. Nope.